Noah Wandera, Business Development Manager omukitongole kya Enterprise Uganda, najangu batira omushomo ogw'ekigendererwa ky'okwegyesa abashuubuzi okubiina ekkora okutungula eby'omushuburo yaabo.
Our mandate is to nurture and grow micro, small and medium enterprises. We offer different BDS services.
Omujenyi mukuru Karakore Alan Bahanda, Commercial Officer wa Mbarra, ahabwira abashuubuzi okukoresa emigisha yoneroho egenderire okubahwera okutungura eby'obushuubuzi bwabo.
Ekyiturumu nekunda munonga ekintu eky'okubaasa kukora ningasha skills ezoine kuba nizo zakureetera omurimo.
Kandi emishomo mingi neyamba abashuubuzi ahubwo abashuubuzi byingi bari kwetaaga kumanya na munonga ebikwatira na business. Obumwe bakuteekateeka ngu obumwe nibasabwa birimo konka kuba kubuza mbazo omushomo gengi bizabateekateeka kugira ngo wera turatwerirwe.
Bamwe abeetabira omu kushomesebwa kw'ebiro mukaaga basiimira ekitongole kya Enterprise Uganda ahabw'okubaho obukugu.
Buli kimwe kyoine nikikubaasa kutandika bizinesi. Batugambire we start a business on biro mukaaga. We all saw it as if it was impossible. Chonka, I assure you, we made businesses and we made profits in 6 days by using the available resources that we have already.
When we extending the boundaries kugira ngo umuntu otekatekera ahantu hamwe otekatekera ahantu hihi yongera kutekateka aha wider market.
Gasha kwa na Good Fatuma.